Good day viewers and welcome to the Polymerupdate Daily News Show. This is Shanshari Banerjee from the Polymerupdate Mumbai office. Today's special newsreel is sponsored by Pune-based Permar International Private Limited, a supplier of plastic raw materials, mainly PVC resin, CPVC compounds and polyethylene. Let's start with domestic market news. Buying inquiries improved for PP and PE towards the end of last week in the open markets of India. PVC buying trends, however, were reported as soft. Moving on to the other news, crude oil prices gained last Friday. While WTI traded at $68.38, a rise of 9 cents per barrel, Brent finished at $74.06, up 28 cents per barrel. Crude oil prices edged higher on Friday as OPEC and Russia agreed to extend the supply cut agreement for the rest of the year and perhaps into next year too. Prices also rose in tandem with declining production in Venezuela, strong global demand and rising geopolitical risks. Open spec naphtha prices climbed last Friday at the $625 per metric ton CFR Far East Asia levels, a rise of $1 per metric ton from Thursday's assessed levels. Last week, propylene prices in Asia gained. The price rise was prompted by stronger upstream crude and naphtha rates coupled with a lift in buying interest across the Asian region. FOB Korea prices of propylene were assessed at the $1,045 per metric ton levels, while CFR China prices were at the $1,085 per metric ton levels, both up $10 per metric ton from the previous week. Despite higher upstream crude and naphtha rates, ethylene prices in Asia drifted lower last week. Reports of ample deep sea product availability pressured prices lower across the Asian region. CFR Northeast Asia prices of ethylene were assessed at the $1,335 per metric ton mark, a week-on-week drop of $30 per metric ton. CFR Southeast Asia prices were assessed at the $1,265 per metric ton levels, a decline of $15 per metric ton on the week. Let's take a look at futures on China Dalian Commodity Exchange for today. On April 23, 2018, LLDPE prices are higher by 30 RMB per metric ton from the previous settlement at 9,130 RMB per metric ton. PP prices are up by 15 RMB per metric ton from the previous settlement at 8,805 RMB per metric ton. PVC prices are up by 5 RMB per metric ton from the previous settlement at 6,630 RMB per metric ton. In plant news, Showa Denko has restarted its 690,000 metric ton per year cracker located in Oita, Japan on April 19, 2018. The cracker was shut for a maintenance turnaround on March 8, 2018. That's all for today's Polymer News. Watch our daily news video tomorrow to know more. It's Monday, April 23rd. This is Shanshari Banerjee. Thank you. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/polymerupdate and be sure to click the like button. You can also find us on Twitter at Polymerupdate. For the latest news from the plastics and petrochemicals industry, subscribe to our YouTube channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon.